I wanted to get a shot of this train before it was finished. Actually, I wanted to get it before it was even this far along, but oh well. Allison's first train had a gingerbread train. That's fondant. Trees. That must be made out of Rice Krispies trees. I'm sure it'll be covered in grain. Here's some of the pieces. For the train. Custom pieces. My awesome wife has made this cool train.
You wanted it in stages. Here's a stage.
Oh, there's underneath the train. It's gonna say Landon Express right there.
Okay, I'm gonna put it on I'm gonna write it on red fonts.
So if you like your own train, it's only $250. And you can have your own.
It's 3 feet by 18 inches. It's very large.
All hand cut.
With my fancy tools.
With the pizza cutter.
Like this. What do you think?
I think it looks like a good track bed.
Well, and then I was gonna put some black sugar, just sprinkle it on to give it a little bit of so that it looks different than the snow.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's
like black snow. Just kidding. It's good. Looks good. Like
rocks.
Rocks, yeah.
Is it wide enough?
It doesn't have to be. That's fine.
Oh, I need it a little wider than snow. That's all.
Oh, you need the snow wider.
Yeah.
Making rails. Special.
Magical.
Fondant rail maker.
Oh, I've got to measure though. This one. This has to be a little thin there. Oh, I think that's pretty good.
Can I open this cheese?
No.
Hey, we're in the middle of shooting a movie here.
Oh, Josh.
And I got you on camera saying, can I open this cheese?
Can I open
4.
this
It
cheese?
needs to be 4.
Yes, Josh.
Okay.
We'll apply a little frosting.
Oh, you got a turned rail.
No, ice.
Twisted steel. Twisted steel. Little shot. Give Dorley some screen time.
Good. Dorley gets lots of screen time.
Yeah, but on your, this is not a selfie. This is like, this is the real deal here.
This is legit.
Now I gotta get get the, putting all the toys for all the girls and boys on there.
Making dreams come true.
I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. super fun project, Allison said, to do. Very time consuming though.